Number 1. Sadness. If you are suddenly feeling sad for no reason at all, it is a strong indicator that you are missing someone. We recommend trying to text or call the person if he or she is unreachable. Try engaging in some fun activities with friends and family. Number 2. Irritation. If you find yourself in a situation where everything around you feels irritating, it is a strong sign that you are missing someone you love. Try not to make other people you care about feel bad when going through this phase. Number 3. Depressed. If you are feeling depressed for no apparent reason, especially if you are in a long-distance relationship, it means that you are missing that special someone. Try calling or texting to help you feel better. Number 4. Dreaming. If you are constantly dreaming of your loved one, it means that you are missing him or her. It could also mean that there is a void in your relationship that needs filling. Do some soul searching. Number 5. Insomnia. Missing someone you love will cause you many sleepless nights. If you are not getting enough or no sleep at all, you are surely missing him or her. Try taking a yoga class to relax your nerves and relieve stress during this phase. Remember that stress puts a strain on the heart. Number 6. Happy to sad. Happy one minute and sad the next? Well, research shows that when you are missing someone, you experience sudden mood swings which are completely normal. Number 7. Less productivity. Research shows that missing someone you love can actually decrease your productivity by a whopping 70%. You suddenly don't feel like doing anything and daily activities feel like a burden. Number 8. Feeling sick. Science shows that if you are missing someone and not able to do anything about it, it can make your body physically sick. Been feeling sick lately? Number 9. Vice versa. Did you know that while dreaming of someone means you are missing them, it is actually the same way around? If you are constantly dreaming of someone you love, that person is also thinking or dreaming of you as well. Number 10. Heart's message. Missing someone is actually the heart's way of reminding you of them. Although research shows that love comes from the brain, the heart plays a role in sending love messages to the brain too. Number 11. Sharing good news. Research shows that you will know that you actually miss someone if they are the first person you want to share your good news with. What do you think about when you have something awesome to share? Number 12. Emotionally frustrated. Psychology predicts that when you are missing someone you love, you are helpless. Not having the ability to do anything about it makes you feel emotionally frustrated, annoyed and moody. Number 13. Clutching a pillow. When you are thinking of someone you love, you will fall asleep at night clutching your pillow. Have you been clutching your pillow lately?